Hello, and welcome to Basic Computer Help. Today I'm going to be talking about RSS feeds. Just what exactly is an RSS feed? An RSS feed is a XML document that describes some data. It's a syndication. A lot of a lot of news sites and a lot of blogging sites have RSS feeds. So, how do you use them? Well, there are many ways. Internet Explorer and Firefox both have an icon that looks like this in the upper corner. It's the official RSS symbol. Did you know YouTube also has a ton of RSS feeds? If you click on that, if it has more than one RSS feeds, it'll bring up a menu. YouTube, from the main page, you can subscribe to their blog, like the top favorites today, top rated today, and other stuff like that. Did you know that you can also subscribe to somebody's videos through RSS? If you go to their channel, here's my channel, and you click that, since there's only one RSS feed linked to this page, Firefox will take you straight to the RSS feed. And when you go to the RSS feed, there's a couple things you can do. One, you can look through it. You can choose what you want to subscribe it to. You can subscribe it to Google, which will put it out. If you have iGoogle, put it on that site. My Yahoo and other sites. You can directly subscribe to an application if you have a compatible application, or you can use live bookmarks. I'll use live bookmarks, and I will save it to my toolbar. Hit add, and you'll see in my favorites toolbar you have videos uploaded by BA. The rest of it was cut off because it was too long. And if you notice, the symbol that looks like a folder now has those RSS lines to it. When you click it, it'll pull up all of your RSS feeds. The only thing I don't get, though, is it's kind of jumbled up in a jumbled up order. See, learn C# programming number 2. But it's even in YouTube's RSS feeds that way, too. That I don't get. Or, if you really wanted to, you could copy this URL to a feed reader, and in my case, I use RSS Bandit. Hit new. Next, copy your feed into there, into where it says URL. It will locate the feed, pull it, name it off of its title, and do a couple other things off of what's in the RSS feed already. I'll just leave it named that. If you have it to have a username or password to access it or to do whatever, then you type it into that last screen. And then this one you can enable alerts, mark feed as read on exiting feed, and delete after a quarter, which I normally do. And here's my RSS feed. And this one is in the right order, because RSS Bandit sorts it by date instead of just how it shows up in the XML. Also, in Internet Explorer, the icon is right here between Home and Printers. And I think it's the same way in Internet Explorer 8. I'm not sure. This is my blog, by the way. You got both Atom and RSS feeds. They both do the exact same thing on my blog. Atom has a couple extra features. I will post a link to the Wikipedia article in the description. And again, you click on the one you want to subscribe to. Internet Explorer will take you to it, and you click this button right here, subscribe to this feed. You can also do a subscribe to this feed in Google Reader and to your personalized Google homepage. And it'll give you a few options, and hit subscribe. To read it in Internet Explorer, though, it's a little bit different. Which normally, you have to go into your favorites, which normally your favorites will show up. You have to click on feeds and up on the top. And it'll be right here. This is for Internet Explorer 7. I don't know if it's different in Internet Explorer 8. And I don't know if it'll work if you have Internet Explorer 7 for Windows XP. I checked Google Chrome. Google Chrome didn't have a built-in RSS reader as far as I can tell. Now, if I'm wrong, somebody please tell me.